When the spraying operation is finished or preparing to go to other work site, it is necessary to unplug the battery vertically and not use force diagonally. Otherwise, the plug may be damaged after 1 or 2 times. It is recommended to use alcohol to clean the gap of the tail plug after the operation to extend its service life. When the aircraft has operated 300 sorties or when there is slight dirt on the sockets, please clean and maintain it immediately. If the inserts are severely blackened, replace them immediately. Spray an appropriate amount of alcohol on the battery interface. After the alcohol has evaporated, spray WD-40 High Precision Electronic Instrument Cleaner on the interface for maintenance. Don't turn on the power until the cleaning agent is completely dry. Batteries must be covered with tarps or other coverings during transportation. Once the battery falls during transportation, water may enter the socket, which may cause BMS communication disconnection. In severe cases, it may burn internally and catch fire. Special attention should be paid during transportation or storage.